I'm gonna try to go find the potato. All right, well, I'm out here. I drove out here on the four-wheeler, and I found it. It's just sitting right here. Didn't really explode like I expected it to. So, yeah, so this is where it landed. All the way over there where we shot it from. So it shot pretty far. Pretty cool. All right, guys, so now we have a gummy bear from Five Below set up. Say goodbye. Bread. Attempt 2. Let's shoot it. Yo. All right, so since the last time didn't work, we have gummy bear in front of monitor. The gummy bear won't work. Sprite bottle. Yeah! All right, so now we have the Sprite bottle in front of the monitor. Here we go. Now, bro, little Diddy Bud, you need to actually hit it.
It's so hard to aim.
I can see myself.
All right, you guys. We got this dude. Which way?
Go. Oh,
All right, dude.
wow.
You
Orange.
cannot open it back.
See, Orange stupid, guys.
And we're preparing it for the next shot, which hopefully will be the one that hits and destroys the bottle.
It's hot out here. Hey, fireworks!
Ah, that's so tough. We should sell that. It's a painting now. Multiple potatoes.
What's up, potato?
All right, we got all that stuff up. Oh! Chicky!
And for the final event, we're gonna be shooting Chicken Joy!
Come on, here we go. It has to be a monster pot. No, Chicken Joy! Chicken Joy! Chicken Joy!
We will also be selling this on the dark web. Shooting Chicken Joy out of the cannon. Bye-bye, Chicken Joy! Alrighty, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, Skibbities.
Do-do-do.